What's up, Shiba holders? This is the emergency update of Shiba. Keep watch and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent news and updates about Shiba. And if you have any type of questions about Shiba, so please tell me in the comment box. I will try to answer your question, my friends. At this time, my friends, if you look the latest price of the Shiba in the market, so 0.00007 USD dollar. That is the currently situation of the Shiba in the market. On the other side, my friends, people are worrying about the Shiba, and very badly the price is going down, my friends. And personally, I'm losing my money in a Shiba. 2.5 billion Shiba token I am holding at this time. So just imagine my situation at this time, my friends. I'm feeling very shocked to see this kind of negative change. Oh my god, that's really a big bad news for me. Anyways, leave me, people, approximately 100 plus people message me on Instagram that Shiba is going wrong. What should we do at this time? Is there a still chance to the price pump in the future or no? Tell me. So now, my friends, if we look the current situation of the Shiba, so now at this time, I think in the coming soon next 3 days, they have no idea to take a jump. In the coming soon 3 days, they have no idea to take a jump. In the next 3 days, the price of the Shiba Inu will be completely falls down, because now the falling period of the Shiba starts now. So you can see, my friends, that is the last 3 days price chart of the Shiba. From the previous days, the price start falls down, and you can see take a jump, again falls down. As I told you, my friends, my prediction is that the price of Shiba will be falls down for the next 3 days, and after 3 days there is again chance to the price pump. That is my prediction about the Shiba. And what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Shiba? Please also tell me in the comment box. And I request once again everyone at this time, if you listen my voice, so please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends.